This one of these Thunbergia. It's called Thunbergia alata. This one, it's a climber, very hardy climber, and it's originally from East Africa, it seems. And these gardeners and all have spread it, and now it has become invasive all over the tropical world. And then it doesn't have any natural predators in outside that Africa. So it grows wild and it's there extensively. You can find it all over the tropical world. And though it looks pretty, it's hardy and all, for native plants and biodiversity gardens, it's not good because it's not from India. Our own Thunbergias are there, that Thunbergia fragrance from Western Ghats, then Thunbergia grandiflora is from Bengal and Assam and all. Then Mysorensis is there, Thunbergia Mysorensis from South India. So we have our own Thunbergias. If people want Thunbergia, they can go for our species. This one is really spread out. All that is that same one, this alata only. And this, so leaves are quite plain and simple, and it's very energetic and vigorous and spreads quite nicely.